Hello, my name is Ivan Arizari, he, him pronouns. This is my child Amelia. Ooh, I went too far. Up. Yeah. I am from Bedford, Virginia, but I have lived in a few other states. I've lived in not only Virginia, but I've lived in New York, Indiana, Vermont, um, a little other places as well, but those are the primaries. Um, I decided to become a teacher because I used to be a school bus driver, and I loved it. And I realized the reason I loved it was because I loved being around kids, and I wanted to engage them more heavily as opposed to just taking them from home to school and school to home. I wanted to get involved in their education, get involved in their development. So it made me want to become a teacher. Sorry, my child's becoming fidgety. I'm passionate about a few things. I really like pears. I love my pears. I do. Pears are delicious, and they make some of the best pies. Which comes to my second thing. I love pie. I have a passion for pie. I legitimately woke up one day, said, "I love pie. I want to know how to make pie," and taught myself how to make a creamy pear pie, which is the first pie I ever learned how to make. So, pies, pears, love them. I really love stories. I love reading. I love movies, all kinds of film and television. Strictly for the sake of I love good stories. I love my baby and my family. I think those things are very passionate parts of my life. My child is really wanting to get in on this camera, uh, but she's a big part of the things I'm passionate about. Oof. My comfort level, I would have to say, with technology at this point, it has to be a three, and that ties into the next part, which asks why I'm going to a three. I don't feel I don't feel overly confident, but I definitely don't feel as though I have nowhere to go. I feel like there's plenty for me to learn. I guess is the best way to put that. So um, I want to be able to enhance what I already know and what skills I already have, and just grow because I'm average at best. Um, One of the useful tools for tech that I've seen in my times doing observations in the classroom, smart boards. I think they're fantastic. Being able to have a board that you can use digitally to draw on, project things from your computer and what have you, they're really good. And I'd love to kind of get a better feel for how to use those. I'm so sorry. She's kind of not wanting to be here, but I have to hold her for a moment. Unless her mother wants to take her. Take her? Take her. All right, it's back to just me. All right, and then something I really want to learn from this course. I want to learn how to use and utilize technology to enhance remote learning. Remote learning has been something that is highly emphasized with COVID. I've been actually the reason that this is late between a very busy weekend and then this week I'm actually doing in service at the school I'm doing my practicum 2 hours with, and those in services have been very long, and they've been discussing a lot of the ins and outs of remote learning, and we're doing a hybrid learning, I guess. So they'll be doing some time in class, some time outside of class. And with my practicum two, I have to be able to write a unit, which involves the creation of 5 lessons. So I need to be able to work to have a unit that can do that and utilize both in class time and remote learning. So any kind of technological tips, tricks, and tools that can help me with that, I think is kind of where I want to really focus at this point in time. But like that. Thank you so much.